Hello and welcome friends on my YouTube channel. My name is Rohit Kumar and in this video we will talk about how you can use Chrome extensions on your mobile or Android device. Before get started, I have a request to you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any latest updates from my channel. Let's get started. First you need to do is open your browser on Play Store and here you have to search for Kiwi browser. You just need to install it and I'm opening it, and here to for access to the extensions you need to search here Chrome double slash extension and just search, and here you need to enable this developer mode. After enabling this you just go to the extension you want to install to your browser or you want to use. Yes, search here Chrome extension. Let's go to the web store. This browser can access the Chrome extensions. For example, I'm selecting cookie extension. I use this cookie. I just click on it and here just click to add to Chrome and just click on OK. And here you can see the extension has been downloaded, and from here you can access it when you open another website like and here just click on this, and after that, after enabling it, you can here you can see the site that we have opened, the go.com site. Here you just can edit this. So I hope this video is very helpful to you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.